my name's Adele and today I'm going to be making cornflour gloop. So all you need is some cornflour, some water, some food colouring if you have it. I've got blue, a spoon and a bowl to mix it all up in. So you need 2 parts cornflour, so I've got 2 cups to 1 part water, so I've got 1 cup of water. So firstly I'm going to add the cornflour into the bowl. That's 1 cup, 2 cups, and then I'm going to add the 1 cup of water, and it goes, and then a couple of splashes of food colouring. I don't want to add too much because I don't want to dye my hands. And then all you need to do is mix it all together. Now you can do this with a spoon or with your hands and just keep mixing all the water and the cornflour and the dye together until you get a really nice gloop. And you can play with your hands. You could use different kitchen utensils, spoons and bowls. Here we go. Ooh. And there's the gloop. I hope you have fun.